Hi guys, it's Archie from AA RV Adventures. I'm showing you my fuel economy right now, 15.9. Ann and I getting ready to go on a big trip, so I'm hoping to increase the mileage to maybe, I don't know, 17 or 18 at least. Yeah, I just put a new green belt on. They're supposed to be really good. So far I've cleaned the throttle body, I cleaned the air filter and the airflow sensor. Right now, today, I'm getting ready to start doing spark plug wires, and coil packs. I had to come in here. I had a loose wire in here. I had to tighten it up before the trip, and I thought, man, I just gotta do the plugs from right here, as opposed to trying to do them from up here. So I'll get back with you guys and let you know if the fuel economy has gotten any better, and I really hope that we'll run into you guys on the road someplace. Yes, the engine is dirty, but she puts out some power. And talk to you soon. All right, guys, I got the job done. Here's one side of the spark plugs. They're not fouled or anything, but if you can see, the tips are really super worn. When they were put in, if you look at the skinny part of the tip and go down further, that's how wide they were when they were put in. So they've been in there for a long time. AC Delcos, I'm not going to complain about them, and I'm hoping the gas mileage will get better. I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, it's Archie from AA RV Adventures. Look, we're getting ready to go on a big road trip with the truck and the trailer. Trying to do all my preventive maintenance before we go. I noticed on my transmission cooler line that the crimp was seeping. I tried to cut the crimp off and reuse the line. I accidentally cut into the line, so I had to replace it. So I went to AutoZone, and I told the girl I needed to replace my hose, that it was 3/8 inch diameter for the transmission cooler line. So she sold me this. It looks fine. It's 3/8 inside diameter. And what the problem is when I tightened up the hose clamps, the hose really started to squeeze out of the clamp. I'm like, what is going on? That doesn't look right. So I look at the hose, and so she sold me a fuel hose with a maximum pressure of 50 psi. Absolutely the wrong item. So today I went to O'Reilly's, refusing to go back to AutoZone, and I got a 3/8 inch inside diameter hose rated at 400 psi, specifically made for transmission cooler hose. So my advice to you guys is, if you are dealing with AutoZone persons, anybody that's whether they're trying to sell you parts or whatever, please double check them, because some of them are brilliant and they really know what they're doing, and the other ones that they don't have a clue. Anyways, I'm going to get this line put on the truck, and I hope to see you guys on the road someplace. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay guys, I'm going to try to show you what I was talking about. So this is the hose that I installed, that I got from the girl. That's a fuel line. And the reason that I thought there was a problem, and I really had to double check it, was if you see right here, I'm trying to hold the flashlight and show you. You can see right here how the hose is squeezing out from the hose clamp. Okay, so that's not normal. So I'm going to show you what it should look like. It should look like that. There's no squeeze out. It's just on there, good and tight. Again, I'll show you. That's how it should look. And this is how it's looking. So 100% incorrect. If Ann and I would have went on the road pulling the trailer, we probably would have blew this hose and we would have been stuck on the side of the road somewhere. All right, guys, I hope this helps you. Again, if anybody you're dealing with, whether it's auto parts store, tire shop, just don't be afraid to troubleshoot them and ask questions, because you just don't know who you're dealing with. You could have the best salesperson or parts clerk or whatever, or you can have someone that really doesn't know what they're doing. Anyways, safe travels, guys, and again, I hope to see you on the road. All right, guys, so as I showed you yesterday, my mileage was 15.9. Right now I'm at 17.8, which is almost a 2 mile per gallon increase by changing the plug wires and coil packs. I'm really happy with this, and hopefully we'll get great gas mileage on the way to our trip.